And while we're on the for loop, one more thing we want to show you is that you actually can go backwards if you want to. You don't have to just go for x equals 1 to, let's say, 12 or something in this case. You can actually go from 11, and go backwards minus 1 each time using the word step. So I'm going to show you that really quick. Alt F11, we're back in the Visual Basic Editor. And very quickly, we'll just do a new loop. And I'm trying to create some space here. We're going to do a new subroutine, subprocedure. We're going to call this sub. We'll just call it step loop, just for fun, okay? What we're going to say is, instead of, we're going to say for x equals 2 to 20, no, I'm sorry. We're going to say 20 to 2, and we're going to say step minus 1. So step space minus 1. And what the minus 1 tells it is what to jump each time. So if you said step minus 3, why x would jump negative 3 each time. So let's just show you that really quick. And next x, and we're going to hit up, and we're going to hit tab just to make this a little bit cleaner. So we're going to hit F8 to debug through. We're going to step through a little bit here. So x is equal to 20 all the way to 2, step minus 1. So it's going to start with 20. It's going to go backwards all the way and stop until it hits at 2. So x, firstly, is 20. Then it's 19, 18, 17, and etc. Now, if we said step minus 3, like we had demonstrated, let's go back up here and start our loop over again. And let's do a message box of whatever x is. And that will drive it home. Let's hit F8. So a message box, it'll say 20, and then it'll say 17, because remember it's stepping minus 3. So as you can see, it's going to keep going until it gets to at least a 2, and there's 2, and now it's done. Okay, so that's how to use step minus something. I guess technically you could step 3. You could go from 2 to 20 and go in threes if you were so inclined, I suppose. Let's try that. Instead of negative number, for x equals 2 to 20, step 3. So we start with 2, and then we see 5. So you see that it is stepping appropriately however we want it to. So that's how to use the step